What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here with Limitless Ayla and Mountain Tesla. Today we're going to be doing a video on the Juniper Model Y Roof Rack by Hansshow. So let's unbox it. Alright guys, we have it unboxed here. Here's some of the parts out front here. Got some mounting pieces and some other stuff, so let's start getting it built. So first we gotta find these little V marks and we're gonna apply some protection stickers. There we go. So first we have to start off by getting under this rubber seal here. So we're going to take this along because it's a little cold. We're going to open that up. We're going to line it right up with that V marking here. So let's set that right there for now. We have all four of them in right now. And we're going to start moving on to the next step. Here are the little rubber pieces. We got R1, which is for the front right. And then we have all these back ones. We're going to start putting these on. So come up here. Looks like you just kind of shove it over these little parts here. Set it right there, just like that. Okay, here's the rear one. Same thing here. Just go ahead and slide it right on. And let it sit like that. So now that we have the rubber pieces on, we're going to go ahead and actually install the roof rack itself. He's holding the front one, and I've got the back one here. So let's go ahead and put them on. Go ahead and put it over these little metal pieces here. So we're going to go ahead and put the nuts on, and we're just going to make sure that it's hand tight to begin with. Do this next one here. Again, we're just hand tightening them for now. Then we're going to go over them with the Allen key here. Now that we have it hand tight, we're going to tighten it a little more. We don't want it too tight, but we're going to go ahead and tighten it. So these are facing this way, and it's pretty secure. And we're going to go tighten the rest of them. Now that we have them on, they're really sturdy. And they look really nice. They're really clean, and I'm really excited. They came with a set of keys here. So we're going to go ahead and lock them. And then they have these little plastic clips. So we're going to go ahead and put on just to cover this and make everything look really slick and clean. But I think that's locking them in there. Yep. Look how clean and slick these fit. I mean, look at that. I mean, you can practically shake the whole car. And it's covering my paint, which I just did wrap this myself, so don't mind the bubbles. But yeah, look how clean that looks. We're gonna lock this last one right over here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put those plastic covers on. Got these two little plastic clips here. Got these little markings here. And you kind of just set it in there. And you kind of gotta hit them in. It is a little cold outside right now, but look how nice, clean it looks. Really covers up all that, but it's pretty easy to remove. You kind of just lift this corner here and it pops right back off. Don't they look so nice? I'm so excited. You guys got to get yourself a pair of these. They are super nice. You can put your snowboard on there. We have a little topper we're going to go ahead and put on here and try it out and see how nice it looks. All right, guys, it took us a little while to get the roof thing on just because user error. It's a little dark out, but if you guys want to come check this out here, you can see how nice this looks, how well it's actually holding this. I mean, doesn't it look phenomenal? It looks really good. We just gotta finish clipping these on, but I mean, otherwise looks really good. Just a test run, just to show you guys what you can do with it. Doesn't it look beautiful? Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one, and maybe you should go get yourself a roof rack for your car.